Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and I have another project share using the same design folio as what I showed you previously with the Ciao Bella Moon and Me. It's Snome Time paper, and my gosh, you get like 40 double-sided sheets in one paper pack, and so I had a lot left over, so only one pack is needed for this. But I thought this was so cute. This is about 6 inches by 8 1/4 and about 1 3/8. And it's adorable paper. And they give you on the back of the covers some cut apart, so you can kind of do like what I did. And then right up here, this little fuzzy is just part of a small little cotton ball. I'm not sure if you could see that, but I kind of put that there. It is so cute. It has a magnetic closure, and that's all the magnets I used was just on the closure. Again, this does not need a whole lot. But isn't this adorable? It is so cute. Here we have a picture mat that I placed down, and you can slide back behind her. And I did kind of glue on a little cotton ball to her little hat there. And that opens up, and you have this nice little pocket. And I made little folders. So I thought that that was just adorable, this paper. It really is. And I think I only brought in, I think maybe 6 or 7 of these pads. I wasn't sure if anybody was interested in this gnome type theme, but I was. So I did bring it in. So here it just opens up. And I did a lot of fussy cutting to get these little images on there. So you open it up, and there's place right here for a photo, and here. And then right here, and you can also slide back behind a little picture mat if you wanted, and then place your photo right here. So this opens up, and you've got a pocket here, and that opens up, and here's pockets. Isn't that cute? And then I fussy cut these little images, and again I glued little cotton balls at the top. So it was very cute paper. Okay, opens up again. So there's so many places to put your photographs in this. As you can see, they're quite large, these panels on these fold outs. And then of course in the back, you just place your photos. Okay, and then over here, what we have is a large fold out, but you can fold it this way for more placements, and then you fold it out this way. And as you can see, another pocket, and then this one does the same thing. So if you open it this way, you've got a lot of places here, and then you just open it up and more places and another pocket. Right here it folds up, so you have places for your photos. Here you have places for photos, and down here. And then here's a little waterfall. Very cute. And then I just kind of made a little pocket down here to slide in a little picture mat. So that is what I created with this paper. It is so darn cute. So if you are looking for this paper, underneath the video in the description area, I'll have a link to it in case you wanted to pick it up too. And as far as a tutorial, there is no tutorial using this paper, but I am going to start filming the tutorial for the design of this folio. And it does hold a lot, and it has some weight. There's no chipboard. It just all folds in on itself, and it is sturdy. So happy crafting. I hope you've enjoyed this little project inspiration share, and I'll see you soon on the tutorial on how to make this folio.